It's Larry here again for Leoy Systems. Just wanted to quickly do a video for you guys where going back to the whole idea of community and like the messages I got before about our gym is a community, we're like a family and all that stuff, which again is absolutely fantastic, and that's kind of what you need to be building inside your facility. But one of the things to help along with that, because I want to talk about that for a second, is when a member or new member joins up, or a prospect signs up, or somebody takes individual one-on-one training sessions or massage or nutrition, whatever individual sessions you provide in your facility, you have to immediately give them some positive reinforcement for the purchase that they just made. Basically, new member signs up. Right away, before they even get home, there's a text message or an email basically saying, hey, just want to say thank you for coming into the facility. You're going to do great. We're going to help you reach your goals. It's like a welcome letter where you just literally immediately, send it out to them, personalized, dear so-and-so, we want to just thank you for coming in today. Your purchase was, whatever you want to do. If they purchase personal training sessions, same exact thing. Have the trainer send them an email or a text, or you could do it from, the desk can do it, the office can do it, and just have the trainer, put their name on it. So it's not just coming from the gym, it's coming from the trainer themselves. But where you could have it say, hey, we want to thank you for, taking the next step for your goals, because they're already a paying member. Now they're just going to add on to that with personal training sessions. So you just basically tell them, hey, we want to just say thank you for, taking the next step to reach your goals. We're very excited to be working with you and being part of that journey. Something along those lines. It's not a sales pitch. You're not trying to sell anything else. You already made the sale, but you want to say thank you. You're saying thank you as, they're face to face with you, but 5-10 minutes later, boom, they get an email. Just makes you feel good that you're like, hey, cool, So it's not just a sale like where you dropped $800 on personal training and then nobody cares. You come in, you train, oh, your sessions are due. And then that's it. This way, it's just that positive reinforcement about the purchase that they just made. So they walk out, 15 minutes later, they get an email or a text saying, hey, so happy, can't wait to work with you. Thank you. And that's it. Now they feel better about their purchase. They're excited because you're excited. And it pretty much just, it goes a long way, because now that person's going to go tell somebody else, and somebody else is going to tell somebody else, and you just snowballed it into potentially more clients, more members, just by saying thank you later on. So never forget that. Little thank you goes a long way. It helps build the community inside the facility again, strengthens that little family bond, and business is good. Alrighty? Thanks a lot for watching. Again, if you guys haven't done so, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm trying to build up my YouTube channel again. If you find anything beneficial from these videos, then my job is done. So thanks again, and I will see you again soon.